Hi, I'm Adam Mattis with Sterling Machinery Exchange. We've been buying, selling, and trading new and used equipment such as press brakes, shears, grinders, lathes, milling machines, saws, water jets, and much more since 1954. Today we're going to show you a couple of really nice machines. This is a Southwestern ProtoTrak EMX CNC controller. It is a 2-axis machine. You'll see right here we have one servo and the other one on the X. You have X and Y powered servo CNC, meaning that it's going to be programmed and repeat your job. This particular machine is a 2-axis, meaning that the Z-axis, your down feed, is not controlled by the controller, but it does have a Z-axis readout here to let you know exactly where you're at. So you're going to be advancing your cut, your drill, whatever you're going to be using on your Z-axis, and then allowing it to go to the next move so you can basically have your X and Y really free to move around quickly and just use your Z to power everything. You can set everything up. Right now we'll move it. We have a teach mode, power feeds, ABS, your programming. We're going to move to jog. You can see our X right here. Go negative. And this will let you move everything, get your setups started. Here's your Y-axis. As I said, the Z-axis is going to be powered by hand. So you'll pull that down. You have your depth stops. This is going to be just like a standard Bridgeport style milling machine. You can see the ways on this, very, very nice and clean. Boxed ways, meaning you got a 90-degree angle right there. It's going to give it really nice steady power for a bigger table and a bigger cut. We'll go ahead and turn the head on. Everything's been checked out here. The machine's fully functional, guaranteed by Sterling Machinery Exchange. We'll make sure everything's working on this machine. All the feeds and functions are going to be working properly. Right now you can hear the head sounds really good. You can set it into a down feed. This particular model has a really nice power drawbar feature. So you'll have your in and out right here. This is powered by air, and it allows you to just basically pop your collet in and out, push in, pull it out, and change your jobs and tools really quickly. Real nice option to have. Here's how you change your speed, just like a standard Bridgeport. You have your high and low speeds right here. Change your speed to get your different speed approximate changes that you're looking for. Now the bed's really, really nice. You can see this table. There's no drill marks or anything on that. It's been very well taken care of. It's all original paint. Brakes working on the head. Really nice. Now I just wanted to show a few different things so that you can understand all the differences between mills depending on which style you're looking for. We have a lot of different experience trying to find the different machines for you. We know which one might be better. This particular one is called a knee mill. If you notice down there, you've got your knee screw. That allows you, just like a knee on your leg, lift and raise, and that's going to move your table for that. Now, you'll notice right here we have another Southwestern, and this is the bed style. So you'll notice really big, heavy bottom, but no knee, so it doesn't raise and lower from there. This model runs on the head. So you'll have really heavy-duty ways right there. You got dovetail ways, raising and lowering this head. So you can see this to be for really heavy duty, thick cuts. Here's another one right here. They have different controls on them depending on the different years. Make sure they're the good machine and good parts. You can get everything for them. That's something that we look for a lot here at Sterling Machinery, to make sure that we can repair them for ourselves, to be able to send them back out to you and make sure you're happy with the machine. Now, give us a call if you're looking for any type of machine, whether it be manual machine, Bridgeport style, import style, new or used. We can help you out. We'd love to buy, sell, and trade with you. Give us a call at 626-444-0311. Check out our website for some great financing options, almost instant credit at sterlingmachinery.com. Thank you.
Sterling Machinery sells all types of metalworking, fabricating, and chip-making machinery such as lathes, metal shears, press brakes, punch presses, punches, grinders, milling machines, saws, plate rolls, iron workers, inspection equipment, welders, and much more. Sterling Machinery is one of the largest stocking dealers of new and used machine tools in the United States. You can view over 2,000 machine tools available for inspection on our floor or visit www.sterlingmachinery.com to view all machine specifications, photos, videos, prices, and buyer's guides for all types of equipment. If you can't find the machine you're looking for, please give us a call at 626-444-0311 and our educated staff can find the right machine for you.